So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason your AirPods are basically giving you the static noise behind your particular headphones. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons, and in order to fix this, the main thing you're going to have to do is understand a few things. One, that static noise in the background, depending on your AirPods, may actually end up being a feature. If you have some sort of, if you have some sort of noise cancellation available, you can make your way down into your actual, your control center here, hold down on the sound icon here, and if you have noise cancellation, it should be available right here. Or if you want to make your way into your iPhone settings, click on your AirPods right here. If you have some sort of noise cancellation options available, go ahead and turn off noise cancellation, and that will basically remove that kind of static noise you hear in the background. Now, if that isn't the static noise you're talking about, if you don't know what I'm referring to there, another thing you may want to double check is to make sure you don't have any of the background sounds enabled on iOS. Sometimes that can actually end up being the case. So what you can do here is go back into your iPhone settings, go into accessibility, which is right here. You want to scroll down until you see something that says like sound or like sound, audio and visual right here. And you want to see this background sounds right here. You want to make sure this is turned off. This is another thing I've seen a lot of people run into. So go and just turn off your particular, background sounds. And that's another thing that can probably end up fixing the problem too for a lot of people. If that doesn't end up working, you may just want to double check that the playlist or the songs or whatever you're listening to doesn't have a random static noise in the background. If that doesn't end up working either, you may want to try updating your AirPods, which in turn will update your phone. There's been a lot of random, iOS updates that can sometimes hurt AirPods. So you can try updating your iPhone, which could in turn end up fixing this problem for your AirPods. So scroll down into General, click on Software Update, go and try updating your phone, and probably for a vast majority of people that might end up fixing it. If that still doesn't work, you can try repairing your AirPods to your iPhone, but usually that will end up fixing the problem for the most part. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.